The risks of mortality from diseases have decreased. A simple way to reduce the risks of strokes and heart attacks. Scientists have been looking for an answer to an exciting question for a very long time, and yet they found it. Recently published the test results of the drug with omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids. It turned out that fish oil, sea fish, seafood, vegetable oil, rich in this trace element, can reduce the risk of death from strokes and heart attacks. Particular attention was paid to fish oil. It cannot slow down brain aging, but will reduce the risks of death from other causes. Previously, researchers did not find a positive effect from taking omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, but a new test showed the opposite result. The study involved more than 8,000 volunteers who took statins to control cholesterol with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. The experimental group took the drug with omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, prescribed as a placebo medication. The drug was well tolerated by the participants of the group, there were no side effects, and the actual risks of mortality from heart disease decreased by 25% instead of 15%, which the developers had originally hoped for. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.